as of the beginning of this year, 2025, family courts are now allowing journalists into the room. And whilst the restrictions on those journalists are quite tight, some would say quite severe in what they can and cannot report, it essentially means, in real terms, that they can leave and report back to the publication that they work for that something happened in family court today and it was really unpleasant. And that's almost the sum total of their reporting capability. But the reality is, over the coming years, that is going to relax. As the people demand greater access to this secret court, i.e. the family court, the obligations of the journalists, the restrictions on journalists are going to relax, and you are going to find that matters are being reported quite openly and quite widely in the press and in the online media. The difficulty that gives us is that we cannot forget that the bulk of the cases in the family court are private law proceedings. And what that means is essentially they are a dispute, a private dispute between two parties. And by virtue of that privacy, they should not be available to be discussed outside of court. Where the boundary is, where the threshold is, where they cross over, is if one of those parents is found to be abusive or harmful. Because maybe then at that point there is an argument whereby we move into a slightly different space where reporting then becomes appropriate.